What up, my people? Right, a quick one here, right? All this while, what have you been doing? Is it still affiliate marketing? Have you been making something online for yourself? If you have not been making anything, I have an update for you guys. All right. We work on affiliate marketing before. We work on so many websites before, but right now those websites has been exaggerated. You will not be able to make good money from it again. And what people make money from it presently is not any other things but content creating. So I urge everyone watching this video right now, the only thing you can do for yourself right now is to try your best and start creating content either on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. These are the four platforms you can utilize and start making money for yourself. You don't even need to sit down and be creating content, okay? Just look for many ways. Like now, if you observe, I've not been coming on this particular channel to post a video, but my channel still there monetize, right? My channel still monetize, and I've been getting little pay from this particular channel you're seeing. So I advise you guys to try and start any of the content you can do. It mustn't be you have to make someone to laugh. Look for some anything you can do, right? If you don't have anything to do at all, just get a video course. What is it called? Just get a video editing course of like 6,000 or 5,000 like that. But you see how that is always popping on your phone whenever you are watching video. Get the course on how to edit videos. So after you have gotten the course and you learn how to edit video, the next thing is to just use and cut some people video, put your video under or put your pictures under, just to do a reaction scene so that your video will not take that in copyright. So you can be using other people content to make money. Now if you observe like all this very dark man now, people are using his content. There's one guy that has over 200k followers on Facebook. Do you know how much the guy is making? So guy, I urge you all to start creating content. I'm not only that, for this particular channel, I'm coming back, and I'm coming back with a lot of things for you. First, see what I do right now, okay? The first thing I do, stock exchange, which is buying coins, buying other stuff, and leave it till the money increases, which I'll be coming back and I'll be sharing that one with you guys. Another thing, I create faceless content on Facebook and on Instagram. That is, I don't show my face, but I'm creating. So I have those on there, and I'm coming back. I'm going to be teaching you guys all. I'm coming back. What I'm going to do now, I want to like do small things. All right. I think in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be steady on this channel. You'll be seeing my video every day as from next 2 weeks. Yeah. So guys, just ready yourself. Even if you don't have anything, if you don't want to take any course from anybody, just wait for me. When I come, I'll put you through all things you can do. You know, as I normally do now, I open it, scatter it, that you can understand easily. So don't worry, I'm coming for you guys. All right. So if you miss me, drop in the comment section, and just don't forget to like. Just come to check on you guys. See you